Now one by one, when there is a change in profit sharing ratio in the reconstitution of partnership firm is reconstituted because of change in profit sharing ratio, we'll do the certain treatment. First one is we have to find out the sacrificing ratio because profit sharing ratio has changed. So we have to see who has sacrificed in favor of which partner. Gaining ratio, who is the gainer after the change in profit sharing ratio. Valuation of goodwill, will value the goodwill on the date of reconstitution of partnership firm, means on the date of change in profit sharing ratio, will value the goodwill of the firm, and after getting the value of the goodwill, we'll do the accounting treatment of the goodwill. Thereafter, we'll do the accounting treatment of past accumulated profit and reserves. We'll do the accounting treatment of past accumulated profit and reserve. Now thereafter we will revalue the assets and reassessment of liabilities. And finally we will find out the adjusted capital balance. So when the profit sharing ratio is changed, the partner who has sacrificed, definitely the other partner is the gainer. If the one partner has sacrificed, the another partner is the gainer. So partner who is the gainer compensate the partner who has sacrificed. Suppose there are the three partners A, B and C. The old ratio between them is 1:1:1. Now they want to change the profit sharing ratio. In a new agreement, they want to do the changes in their profit sharing ratio 2:2:1. So we have to see that when the profit sharing ratio is changed, who is the gainer and who is the loser. So we'll find out old ratio, sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio is more and new ratio is less. It means partner has sacrificed. Previously the partner was getting more, now he will get less. It means the partner has sacrificed. So in case of A, 1/3 is the old ratio and new ratio is 2/5. So 1/15 resultant is minus. It means he is the gainer. He is the gainer. Now come to B, 1/3 minus 2/5. So 1/15. It is a minus. So he is also a gainer. Now come to C, 1/3 minus 1/5. Two by 15. He has sacrificed. He has sacrificed. C has sacrificed in favor of A and B. A and B is the gainer. So A and B will compensate to C. So first of all, we will find out the sacrificing, who has sacrificed, sacrificing ratio, who is the gainer, at what ratio the partner is gained. Then we will value the goodwill on that date, means reconstitution, date of reconstitutions. Accordingly we do the treatment of the goodwill because we have to compensate the partner who has sacrificed, and this compensation will be made by or done by the partner who is the gainer. Accounting treatment of past accumulated profit and reserve, revaluation of all assets and reassessment of liability on the date of reconstitution of partnership firm. All assets and liabilities will be revalued once again, and after that and finally the new capital balance will be find out. New capital balance will be find out. So this process will follow when there is a change in the profit sharing ratio between the existing partner, and when the profit sharing ratio is changed, it means the firm is going to reconstitute once again, and on the date of reconstitution we will find out these things and we will do that accounting treatment of these things so that the partner who has sacrificed will be compensated by the partners who has gained. after the change in profit sharing ratio, so that no one will be the loser and no one will be the gainer. So if any partner is the gainer by the change in profit sharing ratio, that partner has to compensate the partners who has sacrifices, so that in future both partners condition will be same. So it's a justice. We'll do the justice through this.